Hello everyone, my name's Fred. Today we're going on a journey, we're travelling very far. Today we're going on a journey, but first tell me who you are. My name's Fred. What's your name? Today we're going on a journey, we're travelling very far. Today we're going on a journey, but first tell me who you are. My name's Fred. What's your name? Well done. So today we are going to go all the way to Brazil. We're going to go to Brazil, and in Brazil they play an amazing type of music called samba. Can you say samba? But first we're going to have to use our imaginations. So we're going to fly all the way to Brazil. So ready? Get on your aeroplane. Here we go. What can you see out the window? Oh, well done everyone. Now, what can you hear? Hola! It's still me, but I'm wearing my shirt and my sunglasses now because we are in Brazil! This is the Brazilian flag. Brazil is an amazing country, and the particular city that we're going to in Brazil today to play our samba music is called Rio de Janeiro. And Rio de Janeiro is right by the seaside. So, if you've got your sand, can you give it a feel? See what it feels like? And rub your hands through it like you would if you were at the seaside. When you're doing that, can you close your eyes and imagine that you're at the seaside? And if you've got a shell, see what it feels like. Are there some sharp bits? Are there some smooth bits? And see what you can hear if you put it to your ear. What did you hear? So last week we learned lots of different rhythms. Do you remember that word, rhythm? Can you say it? Rhythm. We learned a rhythm on our knees that went like this. Knees, 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 knees. Can you play it with me? Ready? Here we go. Knees, 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 knees. Well done. And we learned a rhythm on our bellies that went like this. Belly, 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 belly. Well done. And we learned a rhythm on our head that went like this. Play this rhythm on your head. Play this rhythm on your head. Let's try that one. But this time I'm going to play it on my drum here. So ready? Here we go. Play this rhythm on your head. 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 And stop. Amazing. Well done. Now this drum is an amazing drum because you can hit it. But you can also hold it from side to side like this. And it makes the sound of the sea. Listen. So, now we're in Brazil, I want to introduce you to my friend Antonio. Antonio needs our help. He needs some people to join his samba band. So he needs some people that know about all of the different instruments. So that's what we're going to learn about now. We're going to learn about high instruments, and we're going to learn about low instruments, and we're going to learn about middle instruments. So ready? We're going to just do that with our hands so we know the difference between high, low and middle. Ready? And high. Can you do it with me? High and low and middle. High, low and middle, high, middle, low, high, middle, high, middle, high, middle, low, middle, high, middle, low, middle, and stop. Amazing. Now, this drum is our low drum in our samba band, and it's called a surdo. And the surdo sounds like this. So, can you find an instrument that might make this sound? And if you haven't got an instrument, why don't you go and find something around your house so you could find a box to play on? Or look, I've got the lid of my sand here that goes like this. That makes a cool sound as well. So you could find a cardboard box. Or you could, if you haven't got an instrument, you could use your belly. So on this drum, we are going to play this rhythm. It goes like this. It goes, let's go to Brazil. Let's go to Brazil. Can we play that on our bellies to start with? Ready? Here we go. Let's go to Brazil. Let's go to Brazil. So the go to is really fast. Let's go to. And then the Brazil is really long. Okay, ready? Here we go. Let's go to Brazil. Let's go to Brazil. Let's go to Brazil. Let's go to Brazil. Stop. Amazing. Now, let's pick up our instruments, whatever you've got, and let's play that now. Ready? Here we go. Let's go to Brazil. 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 And stop! Amazing, everyone. That sounded Awesome! So you found that low sound around your house, so maybe you found a cardboard box that made a low sound, or maybe you found your bellies again that made that low sound. Let's go to Brazil. Let's go to Brazil. Amazing. So now we're going to learn about an amazing Brazilian drum which makes a high sound. And that Brazilian drum is called a tamborim, and it looks like this. And on the tamborim, we're going to play this rhythm. It goes like this. Let's all play our drums in Rio. 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 So, could you go and have a look around your house and see if you can find anything that makes a high sound? I found a mug here and a pen, and that makes a high sound. Let's all play our drums in Rio. Let's all play our drums in Rio. So that rhythm is quite hard, isn't it? So it's got a couple of things that we need to watch out for. So it goes, let's all, and the all is really short. Let's all play our drums in, and then the Rio. Do you remember Rio de Janeiro from earlier? That's really short as well. So it goes, let's all play our drums in Rio. 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 And that rhythm is really dancey. It makes me want to dance. And the reason for that is this samba music that we're playing today. It's all for dancing, and there's an amazing party that goes on in Brazil every year, and I wonder if you can find the name out. If you know it, can you put it in the comments below? Ask your parents or your carers if you're okay to write me a comment and write what that party is called, and I'll tell you all next week. Okay, so we're going to play that. Let's all play our drums in Rio. Let's play it on our heads. That's where we play our high sounds, isn't it? Ready? Here we go. Let's all play our drums in Rio. 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 And stop. Amazing. Now find your high sound, whether that's your mug or you've got a drum, and you're very lucky to have a drum, and let's play that all together now. Ready? Here we go. Let's all play our drums in Rio. 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 And stop. Amazing. Guys, thank you so much for joining me again this week. Now, for next week, we're going to learn 2 more instruments from Brazil, okay? And we're going to learn some more samba music. And one of the instruments that we're going to learn about is this instrument here. And this, you might have heard it called a shaker or a rattle, and it sounds like this. But in Brazil, they call this instrument the ganza. Can you say ganza? And the ganza sounds like this. If you've got a shaker or a maraca or something, then that's amazing. But I would like you to give something a try. You can make a shaker really, really easily with a bottle and some rice in the bottom. Can you see that? So a bottle with some rice in it, and it can sound amazing, just like my shaker. It can go like this: shaker, 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 shaker. Or like a ganza from Brazil: ganza, 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 ganza. So if you can, with your carer or your parent, can you find a bottle and some rice, or you can find some beans or something like that to put in it, just to make a really cool sound, and see if you can bring your homemade ganza with you next week. All right, I'll see you then. Bye bye.